Hi guys, welcome to the channel.
Do you want to know how to fix a leaky roof?
A leaky caravan roof. The past few days we've had a lot of rain and wind, and we have a couple of holes where the skylights are in this old caravan, and about 2 or 3 years ago we just stuck on some plastic and we did get a couple of leaks through that 2-year-old plastic. Stick around, we're going to try and fix it with Burlap Crete. We've been experimenting with it for the past month or so we know it works. Hopefully it will work well and adhere itself to the fiberglass of the caravan. So if you want to know how to do it really cheap instead of buying expensive paints and sealers, stick around. You can use burlap sacks which are pretty cheap. You can get them from most agricultural shops, or you can use, I guess, a natural fabric similar to burlap or hessian, whichever side of the pond you're on. Oh wow, the plastic is completely off. No wonder it leaked. Both of them. Wow, okay. 90 by 90 is good. 60 by 60. 90 by 90, 60 by 60. Let's get our burlap.
Ah, 90
by
by
90. Now 60 by 60.
Ready?
Yeah. By 60.
By 60.
Ding, that's our 2 burlap patches.
Before we make the cement mix, we're going to soak the burlap.
We won't need much, so I reckon just a half bucket of cement or something. Very, very little PVA. I mean, we put a shot glass with 25 kilo sack, and that is maybe 3 kilos of cement. So literally, that'll do. Maybe a bit more. That'll do. Okay, and now a tiny bit of latex paint. Really not much at all either. 1, 2, we'll go 3. So I would say less than 100 milliliters, more like 50. Now we add water and mix it. Okay, so that's the consistency. Quite watery, but not crazy watery. Coats the back of a spoon. You could use fiberglass, but it is more expensive and daunting for some people.
And we like this new method.
Very cheap. Okay, 90 by 90.
Time to get messy.
Time to get messy. This is easier than our roof, eh? 90 by 90. It's a joke. From this side it looks all coated. Let's see the other side. Looks pretty good, eh?
Mm-hmm.
I'm squeezing it quite a lot. Okay, and then you just want to paint it on and fill in those gaps between the weaving of the material, the textile. And putting in that latex paint gives it flexibility, so since it's not completely nailed down and it will move slightly in the wind, at least it won't crack because of the paint. We've just changed our mind and decided to put 2 layers. So we're going to use the 60 by 60, so it doesn't have to be the full size of the one underneath. But we think like that will give us more protection. So I'm going to put that on top. And we'll cut some new ones out for the other one there. Okay. Squeeze it out. It looks very good. Okay. Now we paint it on again. Alrighty, let's do the other one. Oops, let's not burn that. Got 2 more pieces for the other one. Now obviously this is for an old caravan that's going to stay in the same place for God knows for how long, you know, not for a new caravan. It's just a fix. Okay, I'm going to put the other one in. Alright, that's done. So I think we should cover it with plastic till it dries because it looks like it's going to rain, and hopefully we'll be back and see if it worked or not. Alrighty, it's been about 3 or 4 days of continuous rain. In fact, we barely finished doing it and it started raining, so I did cover it with plastic so it doesn't get wet, but let's see what it's like. We haven't had any leaks inside, so we know it's working, but let's have a look and see what it looks like. Very good. It's completely stuck onto the fiberglass. And there's the other one. I'm really happy with that, I tell you. For a cheap fix on a caravan that's not going to be on the road anytime soon, it's pretty sweet. If you try it out, let us know in the comments below, and we'll see you on the next one. Ciao, ciao.